Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern farmhouse with a spacious open floor plan is showcased, highlighting its 4 bedrooms and stylish design elements. This video provides inspiration for those seeking to create a comfortable and modern living space in a beautiful farmhouse setting. Introduce the modern farmhouse style and its appeal. Highlight the spacious open floor plan concept and its benefits for modern living. Give a quick overview of the house features and what we will be exploring in the video. Walk viewers through the main living area, showcasing the flow between the kitchen, dining, and living room. Emphasize the use of natural light, high ceilings, and large windows. Show the seamless integration of the kitchen with a large island, high-end appliances, and custom cabinetry. Showcase the master bedroom with its ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, and luxurious features. Tour the additional bedrooms, highlighting their individual personalities and unique design elements. Mention the flexibility of the floor plan and how it can accommodate families or individuals with different needs. Highlight the modern farmhouse-style elements used throughout the house, such as reclaimed wood beams, exposed brick, and farmhouse lighting. Show the use of neutral color palettes, natural textures, and statement furniture pieces. Provide viewers with design inspiration and tips for creating a similar modern farmhouse aesthetic in their own homes. Summarize the main features and benefits of the modern farmhouse with an open floor plan. Encourage viewers to consider this style for their own homes and discuss how they can find similar design elements and inspiration. And with a call to action, invite viewers to subscribe for more home design videos, leave comments, and share their thoughts. A sprawling, 2-story, white stucco house with dark framed windows and arched openings, nestled in a lush tropical garden. Impressionistic yet hyper-realistic, capturing the twilight atmosphere. Large windows with warm interior light spilling out. Dark stained wooden beams and eaves accent the roofline. Multiple outdoor living spaces with balconies, a patio, and a large pool reflecting the house and surrounding greenery. Mature palm trees and tropical foliage border the property. Furnishings like lounge furniture, sunbeds, and potted plants are visible around the pool and patio areas. A modern, expansive house nestled within lush greenery. The house features a series of interconnected levels, with large expanses of glass windows that showcase the interior's warm, inviting atmosphere. The home is white with dark gray/black framed windows and accents. The interior and floor-to-ceiling glass walls are lit with warm light, casting a golden glow on the landscaping. The house is set on a sloped terrain, with meticulously maintained gardens and landscaping surrounding it. Steps and pathways lead down to a swimming pool integrated with the house design, reflecting the surrounding greenery and light. A modern, contemporary home with a large, open-plan living space and a landscaped courtyard. The home features brick exteriors, dark gray metal roofing accents, and large expanses of glass that blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The interior is brightly lit, with warm, golden tones. The wooden deck leads down to a tiered stone water feature/garden with various plants, including ferns, palm-like plants, and shrubs. Outdoor furniture including lounge chairs, dining table and chairs are situated around the deck and garden. The scene is hyper-realistic, showcasing the detailed textures and subtle lighting in both the exterior brickwork of the house and the interior spaces. A modern, minimalist, expansive two-story house with a large, open-plan living area, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. The house is made of a muted, warm gray concrete. Large windows and sliding glass doors allow natural light to flood the interior. The outdoor area has a wooden deck with light gray lounge furniture, an outdoor dining area, and a pool. Lush green foliage and trees frame the house. The overall impression is one of calm elegance and modern luxury. A large, light beige stucco mansion with arched doorways and large windows, set in a lush tropical garden at twilight. Hyper-realistic architectural rendering of a two-story home. The home features a combination of dark, wrought iron accents and light wood trim. The interior of the home is dimly lit, showing a living area with seating and a fireplace visible through the large windows. Outdoor seating is present on a stone patio. The windows and doors have a modern frame, while the overall design has a classical/Mediterranean style. A modern, luxury concrete home at dusk, with expansive glass walls showcasing a spacious interior with a warm, natural color palette. The house features a contemporary design, characterized by large, flat concrete surfaces and floor-to-ceiling glass windows that frame the interior space. The interior is bathed in a warm, golden light emphasized by the illumination shining through the windows. Visible within the home are comfortable seating areas, a wooden floor, and elements suggestive of a modern Japanese-inspired aesthetic. The exterior features well-maintained landscaping, including lush greenery, various plants, and a tranquil pool reflecting the ambience of the setting sun. A modern, spacious, light-filled home with a large outdoor living area. A contemporary house featuring large windows and sliding glass doors opening onto a deck with wood floors and a swimming pool. The house has a neutral color palette with gray facades, light brown wood accents, and warm beige/tan furniture. A modern kitchen with dark cabinetry is visible through the glass doors. The outdoor area includes lounge furniture, chaise lounges, and potted plants. The house is situated in a landscape with trees. Impressionistic, but detailed, hyper-realistic in lighting to portray natural-looking shadows, sunlight, and atmospheric effects. A modern, luxurious, two-story home with a large, rectangular, outdoor swimming pool. The home has a light gray exterior, and the roof is a dark brown/wood tone. Large glass windows showcase a well-appointed interior with light-toned furnishings and a modern aesthetic. Glass railings surround the balconies on both levels. The home sits atop a hillside with views of mountains in the background. The sky is a soft, dusky, peach and orange at sunset. The landscaping surrounding the home includes various tropical plants, shrubs, and greenery. A modern, luxury, mountain home exterior at twilight. Large windows of the home showcase the interior, which is lit warmly. A large outdoor patio area with a gray sectional sofa, a fire pit in the center, and a stone fireplace. The surrounding landscape is a mix of evergreen trees and snow, creating a peaceful, wintry atmosphere.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.